In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact on gohighlevel. Managing your contacts effectively is crucial to keeping your database smart and relevant. Whether it's cleaning out old leads or removing duplicates, gohighlevel makes it easy for users to maintain their contact list. Today I'll guide you through each step of the process to delete a contact from your account. Firstly, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in www.gohighlevel.com in your address bar, which will take you straight to gohighlevel's homepage. Here you'll find yourself at the doorstep of managing your digital marketing needs efficiently. Upon arriving at the homepage, locate and click on the Login to App button. This is your gateway into your digital marketing hub. After clicking, it will redirect you to the login page, a simple interface designed for easy access. At the login screen, you're prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to input the email ID linked with your gohighlevel account to proceed. The next step requires you to enter your password. It's important to key in your password accurately to avoid any access issues. Don't rush. Ensure each character matches the credentials you set up during your account creation. After entering your login credentials, you will click on the Sign In button to move forward. Be prepared. You may be prompted for a two-step verification process. This is a security measure, ensuring that only you have access to your account. Click on Send Security Code. You will receive a code either via email or SMS, depending on your setup preferences. Once you receive your security code, enter it into the designated space provided. Once authenticated, you will gain access to your gohighlevel dashboard. The dashboard is the control room for all your digital marketing activities. It's designed for easy navigation, allowing you to quickly access different functionalities of the software. Now it's time to move deeper into your account settings. Navigate to the sub-accounts by clicking on it from your dashboard menu. Sub-accounts is where you manage different client accounts if you're handling multiple businesses. From the list of accounts, select the one from which you wish to delete a contact. After selecting the relevant sub-account, go to the Contacts section. This area is where all your leads and client information are stored. It's the database that powers your marketing and CRM activities. Upon entering the Contacts section, you will see a list of all the contacts associated with the selected sub-account. Browse through it and identify the contact you wish to delete. This might require scrolling through several names, so take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct contact for deletion. Once you have found the contact intended for removal, select it. The contact's detailed profile will appear, offering various options, including editing information, adding notes, or deleting. Since our goal today is to delete the contact, look for and click on the Delete option. A confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm your action. This step is crucial because it prevents accidental deletions. Once you confirm, gohighlevel will remove the selected contact from your database permanently. Remember, once a contact is deleted, it cannot be recovered. So make sure you're absolutely certain before proceeding with deletion. That's it, you've successfully navigated through gohighlevel to delete a contact from your database. It's a straightforward process, but it plays a key role in database management and keeping your digital marketing efforts focused and effective. Remember to regularly audit and clean up your contact list. This ensures your campaigns remain efficient and you're engaging with the most relevant audience. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to delete a contact on gohighlevel. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you maximize your digital marketing efforts. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or explore gohighlevel's support resources. Happy marketing!